Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. Today we're Wednesday, January 11th. So today the name of the chronicle is that there's a movement in the solar stocks on the news. The news that is China is adding 3 gigawatts of total install capacity at the end of 2011. So China plans to develop this 3 gigawatt in 2012 and take the total install capacity to 15 gigawatts by the end of 2015. So of course the sector is rising because also polysilicon prices, which are elements that are included in the fabrication of solar cells, they jumped 3.2% last week. So the most dramatic increase in the last 8 months. So the news came out this morning at 10. So if you are a member of marketgurus.tv, you were able to participate in that movement earlier. But still, because the movement had so much momentum, there's been a lot of stock who are in a breakout, and I want to share them with you today. So let's take a look first of all at the solar ETF, which is TAN. You see that the ETF actually right now at the moment is in a breakout. The ETF reverted its downward trend and broke through its sideways formation. In terms of new stock that started the bullish cycle today, we have a lot of them. We have Trina Solar here, which broke through its sideways formation, but also on the longer term reverted its downward trend. Another one, GA Solar. All of them are doing the same pattern. They were all going down, and finally on that news, they all spiking up. GA Solar is one of them. RENESOLA, same scenario, also reverted its downward trend, as you can see here with this graph. And you have also SUNPOWER Corporation and Jinko Solar. Some stocks have already started this movement and just continue on that news. We have, for example, China Surge Energy. We have Energy Conversion Device. We have Hanwha Solar Run, LDK Solar. We have YINGLI Green Energy, which is one of the biggest Chinese company in the solar industry. Canadian Solar. We have SUNTECH Power Holdings. We have First Solar, one of the biggest players, one of the leaders in the solar industry in the U.S., and Fuel Cell Energy and INNERGEX, a renewable energy, which is not actually in a breakout, but still the stock is in a sideways formation, is keeping its upward trend, and could be in a breakout if ever this momentum continues. So we still have some room to go if we look at the solar ETF. As you can see here, the other resistance is over here, so we still have some room to go before we reach that resistance on the solar industry. So this is a look of all the stocks who are actually moving. I don't know if you can take off my picture here, Steve, just to show our viewers the stock that we have here. So this is a list of the stock. You'll be able to shop around. A lot of them here, as you can see, until that stock here are actually on the breakout, so they're on the move. LDK Solar is actually continuing its movement, just like YINGLI Green and Canadian Solar. So that's it, folks. Don't forget to always follow us on Facebook.com and see you on marketgurus.tv for another update on the market.